What's up, what's up? I'm Rebuilder Guy, and this is the new project. It's a 2017 Lexus RCF. It took a nice, good, hard smack here in the front. Woo, smoked. I'm actually getting ready to go on vacation. This is not my build. This is Mechanic Mark's. Some of you guys may know him. He's gonna take you guys along on this journey. So, thank you so much for watching, staying with us. I will be back very shortly.
What's up? It's Mechanic Mark, and I'm here with your next rebuild, 2017 Lexus RCF. This is gonna be a fun one. First one I'm gonna do solo for you guys. James, who you know as Rebuilder Guy, is currently on vacation, so we're gonna have to do it ourselves this time. I've been working with him quite a while, hand in hand. We've been working together. What I can't do, he does. What he can't do, I do. So we help each other out. But this time, this is gonna be a hard one for me. We got a lot of damage, a lot of parts, pretty expensive car. So let's see what we got. The damage right here, we have a fender that's been jammed. Some genius decided to open up the door and jam the front fender, costing me more money. Honestly, I bought this car for a lot more than I expected to, and when you find parts like this that are damaged, it just hurts. It just hurts the pocketbook here. But honestly, 450 bucks, not too bad. Not too bad compared to the rest of the car. What we have is a front bumper gone, destroyed, grills destroyed. These things are super pricey, about $1,200, $1,400 for just the grills, and this trim's more expensive than the actual grill, than the actual bumper. Bumper's about 400 bucks, grills 1,200, so that is adding up very, very fast. But it's always nice to see when parts are not damaged. Take a look at this headlight here, all the way around the corner. It is good. Surprisingly, whenever you find parts like this, it really makes your day. You just look at the tabs and you're like, oh, saved $1,200. Super nice. 400 bucks on this turn signal here. Saved. Awesome. I like when parts are not damaged on a wrecked vehicle, because you look at this side and you're like, oh, snap. That headlight's destroyed. Let's see where the turn signal is. Yeah, that's wrecked, gone. That's just sad, honestly. But it is what it is. We will replace those parts. About 1,200 bucks for that headlight, about 400 bucks for that. This oil cooler is shot as well. I see a hole right there. So yeah, I can't start the car for you guys in this episode. In the next one, definitely we will be able to start it, because I definitely need to buy another one of those before I run this car. We have the frame rail here. That's the actual frame on that side. It is bent, like twisted. So we're gonna need to pull that out, replace that, replace the crash bar as well, replace this reservoir. Oh man, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Gotta take it apart. Either way, I really like this motor. It's a 5.0 V8, 467 horsepower. It's rear-wheel drive. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this car once it's rebuilt and done. All right, the front end is all taken off. The motor is actually really good condition. Sensors, water pump, crank pulley, thermostat, it's all good. The crash bar, frame rail, not looking too good, but we're just going to get it all pulled, all replaced. So I'm very happy with what we have now. I think we're gonna move on to the interior. I got a couple parts from Japan. We have 2 curtain airbags. Really love the packaging that they have here. The metal just encased fully. So we're going to replace those things as well here today. It just comes right off. Honestly, the packaging, amazing, amazing. Ooh, that is not a good sight to see. Honestly, the seats are very nice. Don't get me wrong. I love the black leather bucket seats that are put into this car. They are super, super nice. Out a couple airbags. They're about $800 just for one, just for this seat airbag here. We have another one on that side there. Another $800, but these seats, whew, they look so nice. The rear seat airbags are good. The curtain airbag is blown on the passenger side and the driver. So each one is about $1,200. We're looking $2,400 just for the roof airbags there. Yeah, that's not good to see. I think, yeah, we're gonna need a new headliner as well. Whenever the airbags blow, they destroy the headliner. So we'll need a new headliner. The knee airbag and the driver steering airbag is blown. So we'll need to replace those. There's about $1,200 just for those two. Let's take a look at the speedometer here. What is the mileage? 21,734 miles. That's a good sign. That's a really good sign that this guy did not drive the car too much before he wrecked it. Sucks for him, but we have a new car for ourselves. Really nice. This is an automatic Tiptronic, so you have the paddle shifts. Really nice. It has the blue plus and a blue minus there. So paddle shift. This is gonna be really nice. I really like the stitching on the whole car. We got more carbon fiber work here. Nice, nice. Okay, well. That's it. We've taken the seats out, the headliners out, both curtain airbags are out. I think we'll do the seats maybe in the next one. Let me know, comments down below if you guys want to see me repair these seats. I'll be stitching them up, taking both of the airbags off, replacing them with brand new ones, and these will be back to normal, looking very good. Honestly, these bucket seats are awesome, just fabulous. They sit very well, very nice. Both the curtain airbags are in and replaced, as you can see there. Those are the first parts that I have put on this car, and they look great. Honestly, I don't have that airbag just yet for the driver's side steering wheel airbag. We will be taking all the seat belts off. They are all locked. That one's completely blown, but yeah. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see more details, I don't know. Let me know. Comments down below. Please comment, like, subscribe, share. Let the Rebuilder Guy know if you guys want to see more of this content. It's Mechanic Mark, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.